Here's our day 2 lesson plan for homeschool. The beauty of homeschool is I have a headache today and I don't feel like doing anything with myself, and that's okay because my kids are still going to learn. And since it's the first week of school, I'm kind of breaking things up a little bit just to kind of get us back into the routine of school, and also to introduce, this is new stuff, right? To kind of introduce how we have different subjects to my oldest. We are doing one lesson in math and then we're going to do an art project. Just for the math lesson, again, this is the Good and the Beautiful kindergarten curriculum. It's very simple and it's going to go so fast for him. But pretty much it's color review, number review, draw how many flowers are in the pot, count how many are here and circle it, practicing writing the numbers. On this side, I need to grab a little matchbox car and you drive it over the hill and say what number it is as it's going. Again, more drawing practice. That's the whole first lesson, and this is going to be easy because oldest can count to 100 and this is only doing numbers 1 through 3. So the writing practice will be good, but everything else is going to be very easy for him. The whole math lesson for the day. I'm going to plan to do one big art project a week so that they can learn how to follow instructions and put things together and different things like that. But then our markers haven't even been put away for the last week. They've just been on the table because they use them every day. And that's actually what they're doing right now. We are going to make little school bus picture frames. I will put a little picture of what they look like here after we make them today. I will print a picture of each of them out as like their not first day of school, but the first of the year, and put it in the back, a window of the bus. It'll be like a bus picture frame. I just took a few minutes and got my supplies out. This was all stuff that I already had in my house. If I didn't though, it would be pretty inexpensive to get. So popsicle sticks, I got a huge pack of them last year for just a couple dollars, so I have those out. I went ahead and cut wheels out of black construction paper. I cut the little 2025 license plate sign. They will glue these together though, and they will glue them onto the bus. And then instead of construction paper for the tail lights, I actually have some red stickers, so we're going to use that. And then they will color the popsicle sticks yellow. Again, they're already using the markers, so they're already out there ready to go when we start school today, and I don't need to grab that out, but otherwise I would also grab a yellow marker to put with all of this. That's what we're doing for the day. And if their attention is there and they're interested in learning more, I will probably review some of the language arts with them yesterday because it's learning about vowels. And although we have mastered our alphabet, learning the difference between vowels and consonants is new. So even not doing a formal lesson in that, but just talking about it again, it'll also be helpful. So that is day 2 of homeschool.